So student is very important part in the national development. So it's become very essential for a student to realize his potential, how they can contribute in the national development. If you are not able to do big things, just think about the small things that you can contribute in building the nation. For example, the number one thing is that we can save our energy. How we can save energy? By saving the electricity. Most of the times we have a habit that when we are living our room or our classroom, our fans are working and switches are on. Bulb is going, the fans are working, or other electrical equipments are working, and we are not switching it on when we are living the room. When we are saving the electricity, we are saving the world. We are saving our environment. Number two, we must be honest towards our work. Most of the times what happens, we are not honest towards our work. When any work is given by our teachers or our parents, we are not doing it honestly. Number three is, first you gain your knowledge and education properly. Now in today's world, what happens, most of the students are not focused. They are not concentrating on their education and knowledge. If you will get a good education and knowledge, you can definitely help in building the nation. You can be a leader, you can be an engineer, you can be a doctor, you can be a social activist, and you can bring a change in the society. You can impact on the millions of the people of India. If you will be a doctor, you can bring the change in the medical industry. If you will be an engineer, you can help in building the infrastructure of the country. If you will be a leader, you can build better society, better country. And if you will be a social activist, you can bring the awareness among the people of India. Now, as a student, what is our duty here? Number one, we study properly. That is your first job. Number two, you do your work honestly. When you are concentrating in all these small things, basically you are helping in building your nation. The future of nation will depend upon your work. Whatever today you are doing your work, that result will be reflected in the development of our country. Once you will become a good engineer, a good doctor, you can bring a lot of change in the society. If you will bring a scientist, if you will bring an industrialist, you can create millions of jobs. Now, I want to seek some suggestions from you. What is your opinion that you can help in building our nation? Any one of you? Yes, Samir, do you want to speak something?
Yes. So I think we should work more on providing education to everyone. And education is not only about teaching physics, chemistry, maths or any other subject. Cleaning environment, saving electricity, saving natural resources, utilizing them nicely is also part of education. Education is like building a proper human who can do everything nicely and fulfill their duties. Duty as a student, duty as a son, duty as a brother. A proper person should follow everything, and I think education should be focused.
Next. Anyone? Yes.
To build a strong nation, if an individual will be sincere and honest towards his work, then he can contribute towards the better society. Because if he will be honest or sincere, then the impact on the society would be very much greater. And if we have a greater self-esteem, if we are self-motivated, self-inspired, then we can enlighten the other souls also, and we can inspire other lives to do better study, to lead their life better. And in this age of teenagers, if we support students mentally, emotionally, then they can study better in their education, and then afterwards they would get better result in their career also.
Look, one more thing is that, look, you have got the opportunity to study in such type of a school where you are getting everything. But there are many people or many child out there, those who are not privileged enough to study in such type of a school. they are deprived of basic needs, like they are not getting proper education. So you can help them. How you can help them? You can take out your time, at least 1 hour or half an hour, and you can go to your locality and you can find out the children, those who are not getting the better education. You can help them. Education is the weapon which can bring a great change in the society, in the country. So improving the quality of the education, because all are not getting that quality education, you can also help them to get the quality education. Whatever you are learning, you can transfer your knowledge to these students, those who are not getting proper education. So that is also one area where we can work upon. Anyone else? You want to speak something? Yes, Steph.
Students must have desire to win, courage to do things, wisdom to understand and unravel the problems.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else who want to add any points how we can build our nation? New? Anyone if you are getting any idea? Yes, Samir.
We should be responsible enough to fulfill our responsibilities nicely. Like if a politician will, like our Prime Minister will follow his duty and do his responsibility, take his responsibility nicely, then I think the society will function well. The corruption will decrease. If a student will do his or her duty properly, he will succeed. Or if a teacher will teach nicely and fulfill his or her duty, then society will surely function well.
Yeah, so you are saying that we must be a better citizen of India. We must follow all the rules of the constitution. Strictly we must follow. Simple rules also we can follow. Like when we are walking on the road, we must walk by following the rules of the traffic. All these things. Sit down.